Rummel cards, only 16 cards. In tarot, 70 cards, 70 combinations. No, it's the simplest language, just 16 cards. And the special part of the Rummel is the dice. So now let me tell you what is the Rummel. It is kind of the astrology only. But the thing is, in astrology, we need to, remember, understand many combinations and planet and different houses and many things. We cannot just learn in 5 to 7 days. But the interesting fact about the Rummel is, we can say it's a Rummel geomancy, means decoding of the sign language. So what is that sign language? That sign language is in the form of line and dots. So basically, in the normal astrology, we have 12 houses. Each and every house is having a specific planet, and we need to understand the characteristics of each and every planet. But in case of the Rummel astrology, in the Rummel chart, that whole chart will be of 16 houses. And that 16 houses contain 16 kind of different symbols. So basically, the interesting fact about the Rummel astrology is you need to decode that language, that sign language. Now, the thing is, in case of the astrology, you need the full name, date of birth, place of birth, time, etc. Without that, we cannot do the accurate prediction. Yeah. So the base of the Rummel is the 5 elements: Akasha, fire, earth, water. We all know very well. So the base of that Rummel is that element. So basically, this is the important tool. You can see this is not a normal dice. Using dice, without dice, using Cody, let me just show you 2 to 3 Codys. Using Cody also, we can do the prediction. Using cards also, we can do the prediction. And the most important part is dice. This won't be available everywhere. The thing is, we have to manufacture the dice only once in a year, on 21st March. In special nakshatra, in special procedure, this has to be formed. Now, this is made up of 7 different metals. So basically, we have 9 planets. So the Rahu and Ketu are known as a shadow planet. So the corresponding metal we won't be considered. Remaining 7 planets, the appropriate amount of metal, we have to collect it, and using special procedure, we have to form this dice. So basically, what we have to do, we have to roll the dice. So when the client will ask the question, first we have to say the client, say your name, then question. So at the time of rolling the dice, this message will enter into the universe, means the 5th element, Akasha element. And the decoding language, we have to decode that sign language, which is of air, water, earth, fire, 4 elements. So the ground of that modality is the 5 elements. Now, the interesting fact about this is the originator of this modality is none other than our Lord Shiva. So the thing is, Lord Shiva has taught to the Parvati ji so that Parvati ji can help everyone. So the origin is in the India only, but after that, it was not so popular in the India. Then it got famous in the Arab countries. So even in the recent books also, you will find some of the words in Sanskrit or some of the words in the Urdu. But the later on, again, it has come back from Arab to the India and it got popular. Why it was not popular? Because in the initial time, this Rummel was so difficult to understand and to do the prediction. But with the help of some people, they have contributed in that modality. So because of their contribution, this modality has, converted it very, very easy. You cannot imagine that you can expert in astrology in just 5 to 7 days. But if you learn Rummel, just 5 to 7 days are more than enough to become expert, to start your own journey. You will also be in a position to do the accurate prediction when you will learn this modality. So this is a easy, it's the simplest, easiest modality. Not much complications, nothing. Very simple, easy, and it will give you the accurate answers.
That's incredible, Shali. How amazing. So you don't actually use all the 3 elements every time for everything.
No.
You choose one of the elements.
Yes,
It's either with the dice, or the cards, or the cowries.
Yes, correct.
Oh, and does the prediction change depending on what you use?
No. we will do the specific rituals. After that only we have to do this reading and everything. So it doesn't matter. You can choose anything. And even if you don't have dice or cards or anything, and still in an emergency, if you want to do the prediction, then in today's live call, I will be guiding you how to create your own Ramal horoscope without any of the given element, cards and Cody and dice. And then we will do your predictions. So the thing is,
I'm looking forward to that.
I'm not going to create your horoscope. You will be doing your own horoscope.
That's astounding. That's amazing, because like there'll be so many of us who don't know anything about astrology or anything about these things. So,
and the thing is, basic knowledge of astrology is also not required. So please don't worry about it. Even you are newcomers, doesn't matter. Today in a live call, you are going to create your own horoscope, your Ramal horoscope.
How cool. How absolutely cool. Okay, so that's going to be coming up soon, guys.